now, and it's happening fast. The Internet of
A program like this is needed for a whole lot of reasons. It gives older adults tools to help them age. It gives them lots of information about nutrition, exercise, how to manage your finances.
For an extensive product selection of cleaning equipment that has just what you need to keep your space spotless and help keep employees' sick days to a minimum. And when you partner with us, you'll be able to shop your way every day with convenient online ordering or in-store at any Office Depot or Office Max location with your SPC card. And take advantage of exclusive pricing.
Developed different versions of sensors. In extreme temperatures, people use unamplified sensors. These send a fast response with a low voltage signal. Because the unit does not have ICs, it can remain operable in temperature extremes. When people need outputs to travel longer distances, they choose amplified sensors. As you'd expect, amplified signals are less susceptible to environmental noise. Finally, for the lowest noise and longest transmission distances, people choose digital sensors.
A type of white blood cell. They are part of the immune system and help to protect the body from infection and even fight cancer. Sometimes the immune system doesn't recognize cancer as a threat or is not strong enough to fully fight the cancer. CAR T-cell therapy strengthens the T-cells' fighting power and makes them